mold guy here, right guy for your fungi. I do always suggest keeping a dehumidifier in your basement, especially during these humid summer months. If you happen to have a dehumidifier, or if you're going to get one thing I'd like to point out that's very important is that when the little light comes on that says empty, that means that you should pull the little drawer out of the bottom and dump it in a nearby sink, water receptacle, or outside, whatever's convenient, and then place it back in. For if you do not empty that dehumidifier, it's basically a useless dehumidifier because it's no longer collecting moisture. So be sure to check that at least twice a day. It will fill up. Make sure to empty your dehumidifier. This way it works properly and keeps your basement nice, keeps that humidity low, and helps keep that mold away. Right guy for your fungi here.